Morning guys, it's Saturday. Jeremy and I are bumming around Nashville and the surrounding areas. We're actually going to a few estate sales this morning, and then we're going to go over to the Parthenon, which will be really cool because we've been there but we've not been in it, so I'm hoping we can go in it this time. So check in with you later. Okay, we just made it to the Parthenon, and if you don't know what the Parthenon is, it's a reproduction of the Parthenon in Athens, Greece, but it's to a smaller scale, but it's still massive. So here's a look at it. I just stepped in a hole. But it's got reliefs all over it. Let me zoom in. They're beautiful. It's so cool. Here and give you a sense of scale. Here's some people. Alright, this is, I believe, the back. And Jeremy wanted me to zoom in so you can see Neptune's penis. There you go, folks. Here we are walking on the side. Jeremy's walking on the big step. Step down, honey. I said down, not up, silly. You gonna walk all the way down like that? This would be a great place to play vintage baseball. Oh, look at the ceiling. It's so cool. Zoom in for you guys. Look at that. Isn't that cool? They got netting over everything so birds can't get in here and roost. Alright, we're going to walk on down. I stand corrected. It is a full-scale replica. I thought it was smaller, but no, it's full scale. Sorry, guys. Okay, now we're at the other side. Here is the entrance. So we're going in. Sorry, guys. No photography. Okay, so we made it up to the upper level, and there's a giant statue of Athena up here. So I'll give you a look. Look how big it is. So amazing. Oh, here's a look at the room. These are gigantic doors that lead to the outside. So we're at the edge of the room. Okay, we'll walk up there. Alright, we're right at the base of it now. It's crazy, isn't it? Carving out the base. A big old snake. Look at that. That's just amazing. Here's the detail of her shield. That's just so cool. Okay, so this statue was built in 1982 to make it more like the inside of the real Parthenon, because it wasn't when it was first built. There's nothing left of this ancient statue, so we had to go on descriptions and stuff. But there's actually a battle scene on her sandals. I didn't even notice that before. Here we go. Can you see it? There you go. The snake represents the people, and the shield is her protecting the people. Hello, Athena. Alright, here's her backside. The scene that's on the back of the shield is the fight between the gods and the giants. Look, their little donate box is shaped like a little tiny Parthenon. Isn't that cute? This shield is about 10 feet wide Look how massive that hand is. Could you imagine if this thing was real? If you just stepped off of there, how scary that would be. I know some of you are going to ask, but this is Nike that she's holding. They're often pictured together, and Jeremy says that they were lovers. And that she would often, I'm not even going to repeat what he just said. Okay, we're in the last room. They got some of the freezes here. We can actually go out that door if we'd like to.
Tribute to the gods.
I don't know what the deal is. I guess their heads just fall off, honey. Oh look, is this Poseidon again?
Yep. This is what's over there.
We said Neptune outside. Look, another penis. And all Jeremy would like for me to zoom in that for you. He does keep insisting that Athena used Nike as a sexual toy. Can't take this boy anywhere. Jeremy, would you like to explain how Athena would use Nike as a sexual toy?
Well, you saw how the size relation of Nike to Athena. If Athena was holding Nike in her hand, she can hold it in her hand. You know what I'm saying? Grab Nike by the ankles and pleasure herself.
Poor Nike. I think he only says this because he doesn't like Nike. He likes Adidas. Look at all these people that come out to this door, but they can't actually come in here. They have to go down to the other side. So they're reading the sign on the door and they're like, dang it. Now I gotta walk around to the other side. Give you a close-up of this freeze. Jeremy is one of his moods. He's now talking about letting people in for free in the door. He's gonna stand there and open it up for people. The loot players. That's why you play the loot. To get the honeys. This is my favorite part of the freeze, where it's coming out of the ground. But these are the freezes that are on either side of the building. So cool. I don't think I even did it. I'll have to go over to the other side. I'm not sure if these were from the original Nashville Parthenon, because they reconstructed everything in the 1920s. Because they made them out of plaster, but plaster stays soft, so it's susceptible to the weather. But I mean, you can look how massive this is. You know, this is at the top of the building. It's crazy. They're life size. Okay, this is the other side of the freeze. So this is the other side of the freeze. This is what's on the other side of the building. And this is some of the original Nashville Parthenon statues that was up there. It's so cool because they're so lifelike. Well, not lifelike, but life size. A little bit bigger than life size. I'm being really... God, Jeremy will not stop talking. I'm being silly. They're a little bit bigger than life size, so... Jeremy's in a very talkative mood today. Too much sugar. You can see how the weather really played havoc on these. Because they were up there from 1897 to 1923. And they were plaster, and then they redid everything in concrete so that it would last longer. They also put mesh over everything to keep the birds and stuff out of there.
Action.
Look, there's the scene on her sandals. Alright, let's look at the Parthenon, because we're leaving. Bye, Parthenon. Okay, we we have been running all over Nashville and Franklin, and now we're back in Franklin for some dinner, and we are at Moe's Original Barbecue. We've never eaten here before, but it's a little on the pricey side, but food's really good, so it's worth it. You got a pretty good crowd, so I'm glad to see that. So I got pinto beans, and I just got a little sandwich. Jeremy got a bigger sandwich and baked beans and potato salad. So I already started eating my sandwich, and it's good. It's a really cool little atmosphere. It's kind of like a little dive, it's a little bar, but really good.